Dear students, welcome to the video classes. In the last video, we have discussed about how to find out the relations with the help of given relations. For example, in the today's class, they are given a question that define a relation R on the set capital N of natural numbers. This is nothing but capital N. They are given R is equal to ordered by x comma y such that y is equal to x plus y, x is a natural number less than 4. And each and every value of x comma y belongs to a natural number, that is capital N. Depict this relationship using roster form, write its domain and ring. What they are given? They are given a relation which is in the set builder form. ಅವರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು x ಇಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 4 ಅಂತಿದೆ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ x, ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದು 4ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, x ಇಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 4 ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ 1 2 3 1 2 3 ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟು y ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು obtain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. y 1 2 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ y x is equal to 1 6 2 7 3 8. Therefore x is equal to 1 2 3 depends upon the value of x 1 2 3 you may obtain the value of y. That's why they are given the relation which is in the set builder format. Our job is to convert that format into a roster or tabular method, that is what is separated by comma, elements separated by comma, and they are asking depict this relationship using roster form, write its domain and range. Correct? Solution. Given x is a natural number, less than 4. So x is equal to 1 2 3. X is equal to 1 2 3. Now the relation R. Now relation R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5. Then which implies that R is equal to, if you put the value of x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. If x is equal to 2 plus 5, that is nothing but 7. X is equal to 3 plus 5 which is equal to 8. X is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 1 6 2 7 3 8, which is nothing but roster form of a given relation, that is R. Then depict this relationship using roster form. I will picture diagram. Right? I will write the diagram representation. If you wish, you make the diagram. Both are correct and set of natural numbers given by. I will call this is nothing but 1 2 3. This is the value of x, and this is now nothing but our 6 7 8. 1 goes to 6, yes, 1 goes to 6. 2 goes to 7, yes, 2 goes to 7, and 3 goes to 8. You may call define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers. Yes, you may take A and B, correct? A and B, two sets you may call it a set, two sets A and B, because A and B are subset of the natural number. Now it is correct, because you can't take n value. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು n ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ n ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, x is a natural number ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದು 4ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು, ಅಪರಿಮಿತ ಗಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you may call it as AB. The diagram is not so important. They are not asking the diagram, but I have drawn the diagram very clearly. Correct? Define this relationship using roster form. This is the roster form. Write its domain and ring. What is the domain? Domain of R. Domain R is equal to domain of R. Correct? Domain of the relation R is nothing but set of all first members. You call it 1 2 3. Correct? After that, range of R. Range of R is nothing but 6 7 8. Dear students, this is the answer for a given question. Now I will solve one more question. Today I will finish the topic, that is relations. Tomorrow onwards we will take functions. Correct? Okay. 6, 7, 8. After that I will take one more. That is example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation. Define a relation capital R from A to B by R is equal to order pair x comma y. The difference between x and y is odd, or x belongs to capital A, y belongs to capital B. Write R in roster form. Write R in roster form. Dear students, they are asking the question in the sense of A and B. They are given two sets. They are given. Define the relation R from A to B by R is equal to order pair x comma y such that difference between x and y is what? Means our job is to make the Cartesian product of two sets first. After we have to make the relation first. Now A cross B. First I will write A cross B, which is equals to, what is the value of A? A is 1, 2, 3, 5 cross with B. B is nothing but 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Then what happens? Which is equals to 1, 4. Correct? 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9. After that 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 9. Correct? 2, 9. After that 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9. After that 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9. 5, 9. Dear students, whether it is correct or not, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9. Which is our A cross B. Whether it is correct or not, here there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 5, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means what? How many elements? 1, 4. 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9. 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 9. 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9. 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, correct? 12 A cross B members. Which is nothing but why it is 12? Here there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally, here there will be 4 elements. Here there will be 3 elements. N of A cross B is what? N of A cross B is nothing but N of A into N of B. N of A 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. N of B 1, 2, 3. 4 into 3 becomes 12. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 100 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ what they are given, relation they are given, R is equal to order pair x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd. Means our job is to construct a relation whether or where the difference between the ordered pairs, if you collect one single ordered pair, their difference should be what? Odd number. Means whatever the odd value, in the sense that positive or negative, no question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಧನಾತ್ಮಕ ಬರ್ತದ ಋಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಬರ್ತದ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. x ಮತ್ತು y ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಅದು ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ 1 - 4 1 ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? That is 4 3, correct? That is odd number. 1 6 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆಡ್ 1 6 ಆಯ್ತು 1 9 ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ 1 9 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 8 2 4 no 2 6 no 2 9 yes 9 2 means 2 9 is 7 it is odd number it is. After that 3 4 yes 3 4 correct 3 4 after that 3 6 yes 3 6 3 9 6 or 5 4 yes 5 4 5 6 yes 5 6 after that 5 9 not an odd number correct 9 minus 5 is 4 is even there are this much of elements correct 1 3 3 3 6 7 elements write r in the Oster form get more you can take a domain correct domain of r is equal to 1 1 2 3 3 5 range of r 4 6 9 4 6 9 correct 4 6 9 set of all first components are domain set of all second components are nothing but range 4 6 9 is the range of r is 4 6 9 4 6 9 is the range. After that domain of r is nothing but 1 2 3 5 range of r is nothing but 4 6 9. I will take one more relation that is with the help of a diagram representation. Diagrammatic representation. Example. A figure shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write the relation in first one set builder form, second one roster form, right? It's a domain and range. Domain and range. P, there will be Q, 5, 6, 7, or better you write in front of the dots, that is the notation, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. 5 goes to 3, 6 goes to 4, 7 goes to 5. What they are given? They are asking the question in set builder form. Solution? Set builder form. Solution? First one. Set builder form is given by solution number 1. R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that, correct? R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that y is equal to x minus 2. What is the relation here? If there is a value 5 minus 3 is 2, or here 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5. That's why, correct? What is the value? Just to remember, expression is y is equal to x minus 2. Here then we have to write the value. X belongs to capital P, correct? X belongs to capital P and y belongs to capital Q. X belongs to capital P, small x. X belongs to, this is the value of x. X belongs to capital P and these are nothing but values. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ y ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು q ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಗಿದೆ 6 ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 4 7 ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 5 ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ 3 4 5 ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ q ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು y ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ನಾವು x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x 5 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 5 ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 3 belongs to q yes 3 belongs to q ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ then roster form correct roster form you have to write second one r is equal to what is the roster form by look at the figure 5 3 correct where is the arrow diagram 5 3 6 4 6 4 5 3 6 4 after that 7 5 correct after that domain and range domain of the relation r is equal to 5 6 7 and range of r is equal to 3 4 5 range of r is equal to 3 4 5 dear students look at the figure and write the expression here y is equal to x minus 2 you should mention whether the x belongs to p or x belongs to q or y belongs to p or y belongs to q that is the thing I will take some other questions example let capital A 1 2 3 4 5 6 sorry 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 6 let capital R be the relation on capital A defined by order pair A comma B such that A comma B belongs to capital A B is exactly divisible by A first one write R in roster form find domain and range of R my dear students the concept is based on divisibility what is the meaning of divisibility that is very important while solving the question of this type question correct question is important or unimportant it's not a matter but knowledge of the knowledge of this type of question is very important correct this is the real time to study I will write what is the meaning of 2 divides 4 correct this symbol which is equal to 2 divides 4 what is the meaning of 2 divides 4 2 divides 4 or 4 divides 2 2 divides 4 means 2 divides 4 ಎರಡು 4 ಅನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ 2 4 ಅನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ 4 2ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ just to listen the line 2 divides 4 means 2 divides 4 or 4 which is same as 4 is divisible by 4 is divisible by 2 correct just to observe 2 divides 4 same as 2 divides 4 or this is equal to 4 is divisible by 2 4 ಎರಡರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ 2 4 ಅನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ 2 4 ಅನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ 2 divides 4 2 4 ಅನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ 4 2ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ 4 is divisible by 2 but 4 does not divide 2 4 does not divide 2. Correct? For this type of situation is never allowed. Never allowed. Correct? Hence they are given a comma b. B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A means it looks like 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 means A divides B. Our job is to find A divides B, which is same version as A comma B. B is exactly divisible by A means A divides B. Correct? B is exactly divisible by A means A divides B means B is exactly divisible by A. What is the meaning? Just to look at 2 divides 4, which is nothing but 4 is equal to something into 2. Correct? What is the meaning? 2 divides 4. 2 divides 4 means 4 is equal to. How to write this? Divides small 4. This 4 is equal to something into 2. Clear now? ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತುಂಬಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ our job is to put the value 2, which is the big part. This is the value of k. That k belongs to integer. That k belongs to what? Integer. Here integer k belongs to integer means here k is nothing but 2. Here k is nothing but 2. But when I take 4 divides 2, which implies 2 is equal to, this 2 is equal to something into 4. 2 is equal to that something into 4. What is this something? Something is nothing but k, but k is equal to here half. K is equal to half because which is nothing but 2 is equal to half into 4. 2 is 2 is equal to 2. But k is equal to half does not belongs to integer. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ that half does not belongs to what? Integer. That's why which one is correct? 2 divides 4 is correct. 4 divides 2 is wrong. Correct? 4 divides 8 is correct. 4 divides 8 is correct. But 8 divides 4 is wrong. 8 divides 4 is wrong. 4 divides 16 is correct. 16 divides 4 is wrong. 16 divides 4 is wrong. These are the some important facts while solving the problem of this. Before solving the problem, I will give some A cross B or A cross A we have to find out. Out of that A cross A, this Cartesian product, our job is to pick some of the values. Solution A cross A on the set A. Correct? Now first our job is to make Cartesian product of this A cross A, which is equals to 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 6 cross with again 1 2 3 4 6, which is equals to 1 1. Correct? 1 1 1 2 1 3, after that 1 4, after 1 6, 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 6, 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 6, 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 6, after that 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 6. Dear students, I have written directly 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 6, 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 6, 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 6, 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 6, 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 5 into 5, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Correct? Our answer is verified, get verified. That is, we made a tag. Now, our job is to find out the relation. Now, R is equal to, what is our job? Our job, capital R is equal to, our job is to make the relation, that is ordered term we have to collect. AB, B is exactly divisible by A. That's why 1 divides 1. Yes, of course, answer is yes. 1 comma 1 is correct. 1 that divides 2, yes. 1 that divides 2 is also correct. 2 divides 1 divides 2 means 2 is equal to something into 1. That something is nothing but 2. Correct? 2 is equal to something into 1. Something 1 3 is correct. 1 3. 1 4 is also correct. 1 6 is also correct. After that 2 1 is wrong. We go for 2 2 is correct. 2 3 is wrong. 2 4, yes, 2 divides 4. 2 divides 4 is in the sense 4 is equal to something into 2. 2 into 2. That is 2 divides 4. That is 2 comma 4 is also correct. Correct? 2 comma 4. After that 2 comma 6 is wrong. 3 1 is wrong. 3 2 is wrong. 3 3 is correct. 3 3 is also correct. 3 4 is wrong. 3 6 is correct. 3 6 is correct. 4 1 4 2 wrong. 4 3 wrong. 4 4 is also correct. 4 4 is also correct. 4 6 also wrong. 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4. Last is 6 6. Dear student, I hope you got the idea. Correct? If you have any doubt, take the clarification with the help of social media like WhatsApp. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Correct? Again I have to verify. 1 comma 1, yes, 1 comma 1. 1 2, 2 divides 1 means 2 is equal to something into 1, that something is 2. 1 3, 1 4, 1 6 is correct. 2 1 is wrong. 2 2, yes, 2 2. 2 3 is not. 2 4 correct. 2 6 is wrong. 3 1 3 2, 3 3 is also correct. 3 4 not. 3 6, 3 6 means 3 divides 6, which implies 6 is equal to something into 3, if something is 2. Correct? Therefore 3 6 is correct. Once you get the 3 6, after that directly 4 4. 3 6 after 4 4. After 4 4 there will be 6 6. There will be 6 6. Now write R in roster form. Correct? Write R in roster form. Get over. Write R in roster form. Find the domain and range. Second one, domain of R. Correct? Domain of the relation R, which is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. After that, range of R. Range of R. Range of R is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Domain of R and range of R 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Domain and range of R get over. Correct? Domain and range of R get over. All are get closed. These are the some examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. After that, I will give you one homework. I will directly come to the important questions session. Example, determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R is equal to whatever x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solution. Correct? They are given x as the values like that. Our job is to find the values. X such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Given x is equal to how many values they are given? 0 to 5. Correct? Given x is equal to a set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So capital R is equal to, if x is 0, 0, comma 5, 1, if it is 1, 1, 6, 2, 7, 2, 7, 3, 8, 3, 8, 4, 9. If it is 4, 4 plus 5, 9. If it's 5, 5 plus 5, that is 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Therefore, what is the domain? Domain of R. Domain of R is nothing but set of all first component 0, 1, 2, 0, 1 and 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Then range of R 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, one more important question I will solve. Example. Write the relation capital R x comma x cube. X is a prime number. Less than 10 in rotational form. Important question for exam. In rotational form. Solution. What they are given? X is a prime number less than 10. Prime number less than 10 are first prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7 are the numbers which are lesser than 10. Now our job is to find out the relation with the help of those numbers. That is R is equal to, if it is 2 cube, correct? If it is 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, and 7 cube. 7 cube. R, correct? R 2, 8, 2 cube is 8. ಎರಡರ ಘನ 2 ಗುಣಿಸು 2 ಗುಣಿಸು 2 3 3 9 27 5 5 25 25 7 7 7 is 49 49 into 7 49 into 7. What's the answer? Just to calculate. 63 6 343. Correct? The final answer is 343. Here 343. What's our job? What is the relation they are asking? If wish, you can take domain. Domain of the relation are 2, 3, 5, 7. Range of R is nothing but 8, 27, 125, 343. Nothing but 343. 2, 8, 27, 125, 343. 343. I will write one more 2 questions which are simple. Simple questions are there that completes your relations. In the next class, we will see functions. Example, let capital A is equal to x, y, z. B is equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Number of relations from A to B. Solution. Number of relations are nothing but number of subsets. Given n of A, there will be 3. N of B, there will be 2. N of A cross B, n of A into n of B, 3 into 2, there will be 6. Therefore, number of relations from A to B, which is equals to 2 to the power n of A cross B, which is nothing but 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 64 relations you can make. There will be 64 relations. There will be 34 relations. 64 relations. I have a last question on relations. Example, let capital R be the relation on Z defined by capital R is equal to A comma B such that AB belongs to Z, AB belongs to Z, A minus B is an integer. Find domain and range of R. Find domain and range of R. Domain and range of R. Solution. R is equal to ordered by A comma B such that A comma B belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. A minus B is an integer. What is the here? A comma B belongs to Z. A comma B belongs to Z means set of all Z values. Set of all Z values are nothing but domain. Therefore, domain of the relation R is nothing but Z. Set of all integers. Correct? Therefore, Z are nothing but integers. If you take two numbers which are coming from integer, their difference is also an integer. Correct? Therefore, domain and range. Range is also range of R is nothing but Z. That is integers. Correct? If A is an integer, B is an integer, A minus B is also an integer. A is integer, B is an integer, A minus B is also an integer. For domain and range both are integers. I hope this completes your relations and function topic. Relations get over. In the next class, we will move towards same chapter, continuation part, that is functions. Before starting the function, your mind should be run with what is the relations. Relation is nothing but subset of the Cartesian product of two non-empty sets. Set of all first components are domain. Set of all second components are nothing but range of the relation. But in case of function, what happens in detail, we will study in the next class. Thank you.